Siemens, ingenuity for life.
When it comes to digitalization, the world is moving faster than ever before. We like, we swipe, we stream, we share, no matter where, no matter when. But digitalization is not only affecting our personal lives. Entire business and job models are changing. Industries are evolving towards a new era, and companies that don't adapt will simply vanish. This transformation is driven by smart products in a purely digital process called smart manufacturing. But whose factories are smart today? How can a manufacturer become faster, more agile and efficient without excessive costs? MOM, the Manufacturing Operations Management System, is the answer. MOM is essential for smart manufacturing to create a digital twin of operations that is perfectly integrated with automation and the real factory. It is the digital brain in the manufacturing space, understanding the goals of the smart product, using abstraction techniques to link to shop floor devices, and making them even smarter. The resources required for each smart product are optimally allocated by the MOM scheduling system. And the MOM execution engine guides the smart product through the factory, interacting with automation, operators, and logistics, guaranteeing high quality and enhancing manufacturing efficiency. All data coming from the shop floor is collected by MOM and contextualized with detailed manufacturing information. Using closed-loop manufacturing and quality, MOM fills the gaps between execution, product engineering, and production planning, enabling continuous improvements of your factory and seamless new product introductions. Join Siemens and the enterprise digitalization. Start your journey towards smart manufacturing.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.